Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on the difference between Whoop Pick and Whoop Life. So you can decide which one fits your lifestyle better. So please listen carefully to each point that I will be explaining. And this will help you understand which version of Whoop aligns more with your health or performance goals. So first, for Whoop Pick, it is designed for athletes and professionals. It focuses on precision metrics such as strain, recovery, and sleep optimization, giving you detailed readiness scores every morning. For Whoop Life, on the other hand, it is made for everyday users who want wellness tracking without the intensity of performance data. It simplifies recovery metrics and adds lifestyle insights like stress levels and mindfulness tracking. Next, for subscription and price, both require Whoop membership, but Whoop Life has a lower tier plan with limited analytics and simplified reports. Then, for the app interface, in the Whoop app, which is a 2025 update, Whoop Pick users can access advanced graphs under performance dashboard, while Whoop Life users will see simplified tiles like energy, focus, and recovery. If you want advanced performance tracking, then you should go for Whoop Pick. But if you would prefer wellness and balance, then Whoop Life is the smarter option for you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.